Hello friends, today in subject Maths chapter 4 we will study determinants. So first we will study what is determinants. So chapter 3 we have studied the matrix if Aij M cross N is a matrix. So matrix is not representing the number, real number, just it is an arrangement of a numbers or any data. So this data we associate with real number set R, and the function which represents the relation of matrix with the real number is known as determinant. So determinant means it is a function which connects the matrix of M cross N order with the real number. So matrix A, its determinant will be, if Aij is a matrix of M cross N, then its determinant will be written in two lines. This will be not read as mode, but we will read as determinant of A. Okay, and so double line between A that we write, that is the determinant of A. So suppose A is a matrix where it has one element only, then its determinant will be determinant A equals to single A1. Now suppose A has a two elements, means 2 cross 2, A1, A2, B1, B2. It is a square matrix of 2 cross 2 orders, and its determinant we write, that will be A1, A2, B1, B2. So the any square matrix we connect with the real number, that is known as the determinant. Suppose A has the 3 column and 3 row, then it has the elements A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. Then its determinant will be written A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. So let's we will see the determinant solution. So determinant is of 1 cross 1, means only one element, one column. Then A equals to A1 only. If determinant A is of 2 cross 2 type, means 2 row and 2 column, A1, B1, A2, B2. Then its solution will be in the cross multiplication of diagonals. So A1, B2 minus B1, A2. And so suppose A matrix is given us that 2, 3, 4, 7, then its solution will be 2 multiply 7 minus 3 multiply 4, and so 14 minus 12 is equals to 2. Suppose A is given us minus 2, minus 3, 4 and 8. Then we will take minus 2 into 8 minus 3 into 4. So it will be minus 60 minus plus 12. So minus 16 plus 12, that will be minus 4. Now suppose A is given us here x plus 1, 2 and 3. Then its solution will be x into 3 minus 2 into x plus 1, and so its solution will be 3x minus 2x minus 2. So it will be x minus 2. So like this way we can solve. Suppose A is given 7 minus 9, 1, 3. Then we will take 7 into 3 minus 1 into minus 9. So 21 minus plus, it is 30. Now the solution of 3 cross 3 determinant. So suppose determinant A is given A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. plus, alternative plus minus plus, minus plus minus. Now if we start solving the first row, then here plus sign, so plus a1. Now leave the column and row which contain a1, so first column and first row we leave, then we get the part b2 b3 c2 c3. Now here minus sign, so minus a2, so a2 containing column and row we leave, then we get b1 c1 b3 c3, sorry, b1 c1 and b3 c3. Now here plus sign is there, so plus sign is there and plus a3 containing row and column we leave, then it will be b1 c1 b2 c2. Then we simplify, then a1 b2 c3 minus b3 c2, a2 b1 c3 minus c1 b3, as they are too close to determinant we can simplify, and a3 b1 c2 minus c1 b2. So this simplification we take, it is the same as here a1 b2 c3 a1 b3 c2 minus a2 b1 c3 minus minus plus a2 c1 b3 plus a3 b1 c2 minus a3 c1 b2. Now somebody thinks that he wants to solve with the second column, then also they can solve, or say I want to solve with the third row or second row, then according these signs only we have to go. Suppose we will solve with the second row, then it will be, now first is the minus, so minus b1. Now b1 containing row and column we leave, then a2 a3 c2 c3. Then between plus is there, so plus b2. You can see now b2 containing row and column we leave, then a1 c1 a3 c3. And b3 containing here minus sign, so minus b3. b3 containing row and column we leave, and it is a1 a2 c1 c2. So now we simplify this, minus b1 a2 c3 minus c2 a3 plus b2 a1 c3 minus c1 a3 minus b3 a1 c2 minus c1 a2. So here minus b1 a2 c3 minus minus plus b1 c2 a3 plus b2 c1 a3 plus minus minus b2 c1 a3 minus b3 c1, sorry, a1 c2 and minus minus plus b3 c1 a2. So here you can see that minus b1 a2 c3 minus b1 a2 c3 b1 c2 a3 plus, so here b1 c2 a3 in the plus, then b2 c1 a3 in the plus, so b2 c1 a3 in the plus, so all the terms we are getting equal and we are getting equal, so we can say that either we can with any row or any column we simplify, we will get the same answer. So let's see simplify determinant a equals to one 3 minus 5 2 3 7 4 minus 8 9. So here we will write plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus. Now any row any column we can take. Okay. So suppose I take with the third row, Then with the third row I take then 4 into determinant will be, so the row and column containing 4 will be the matrix we are getting 3 3 minus 7 5 determinant. Now minus 5, so minus of minus 8 containing row and column we leave, then we get the determinant 1 2 minus 5 7, and here plus 9 containing row and column we leave, then 1 2 3. So 4 3 5s are 15 minus 3 7s are minus 21 plus minus plus 8 1 7 are 7 minus 2 5s are 10 plus 9 3 minus 6. So it will be 4 minus plus, so 21 and 5 26 10 36 plus 8 minus plus, so 10 plus 7 17 plus 9 into minus 2. So we simplify 36 4s are 144 plus 17 8s are 56 5 136 minus 27. So 6 4 10 carry 1 1 4 5 3 8 280 minus 27. So 10 minus 7 3 7 minus 2 5 2 3. Let's see some examples. So example 1 is given. Determinant A equals to given 2 4 minus 1 2. So it is 2 plus 2 determinant. So its solution will be 2 into 2 minus 4 into minus 1. So 4 and minus plus 4. So its answer is 8. Now example 2 is given. Again 2 plus 2 determinant is given. X plus 1 x minus 1 x. Then we simplify it, and x into x square minus x plus 1 into x minus 1. So x square, now x plus 1 x minus 1, that is x square minus 1. So we open the bracket, x square minus x square minus plus 1 plus x square minus x square gives us answer is 1. Now example 3 is given. D equals to 1 2 4 minus 1 3 0 4 1 0. So whenever like this way we get the determinant, then the row or column which contains the double zero. Through it we will simplify. So your third row contains the double zero. So we write here plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus. So we simplify, expand through the third column. The third column is contained D equals to 4 into, so 4 containing row and column we do, then we get the determinant minus 1 3 4 1. Thereafter minus is there, so minus 0 into 0 containing row and column we leave 1 2 4 1, and here again plus 0 into 1 2 minus 1 3. So here 4 into minus 1 minus 12, and here 0 into anything 0, 0 into anything 0. So it will be 4 into minus 13. Answer will be minus 52. Now example 4 determinant is here 0 sin alpha minus cos alpha minus sin alpha 0 sin beta cos alpha minus sin beta 0. So here we expand with the first column only. So here we know the signs plus minus plus for the first column, and so it will be 0 into we leave the column and row of the containing 0. So it will be 0 sin beta minus sin beta 0 minus sin alpha into sin alpha containing row and column will remove the minus sin alpha sin beta and here cos alpha 0 plus minus cos alpha equals 2. So cos alpha containing row and column will remove then minus sin alpha 0 cos alpha minus sin beta. So here 0 into anything will be 0 minus sin alpha into minus sin alpha into 0 0. So 0 minus sin alpha sin beta cos alpha plus minus minus cos alpha. Now minus sin alpha minus sin beta is going to be sin alpha sin beta minus 0 because cos alpha into 0. And so we multiply instead, so minus minus plus sin alpha sin beta cos alpha and minus cos alpha sin beta. So both are equal and so the determinant minus will be 0. So determinant answer is 0. Now question 5 is given 2 cross 2 determinant 3x x1 3 2 4 1 are equal, then find x. So this side we simplify, then it will be 3 1 3 minus x square is equal to 3 minus 8. So here easily 3 cancel we do, then x square equals to 8. So it is x equals to plus or minus root 2 because 8 is equals to plus or minus root 2 square. Sorry, 2 root 2.